Everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty. What card did I get? Squeaky one, always. The weekly wow this week at my store, guys, is the 8-pack of hangers. They have it in this really cool lime green. They also have pretty pink. And of course, traditional black. And I think my favorite color is this really pretty turquoisey blue. I know they're just hangers, but the colors are really nice. They've added some new hair accessories, plaid, perfect for the upcoming season of fall, very traditional plaid. And then they have this gray and pink, which I think is, out of these three, definitely my favorite. They've been adding bits and pieces in this front area of new hair accessories, so make sure to check your store because in the last couple months they've added a lot. This is a great value. I love the colors in this pack. They have these really pretty, like almost chiffon feeling hair accessories, clear strap on the back so you can actually hide it under your hair. It's actually 2 straps, and then just tons of new stuff coming into the fall, a little heavier fabric. They also have this checkerboard, just really cool. Of course, back to school, you guys need to stock up on those socks because we all know the socks disappear for our kiddos. And they have the pretty purple and lime green, such a great combo. We've seen the pizza socks before, but 3 packs for the kiddos is a good deal for $1, especially when they're hard to keep track of. Basic white 3-pack for gym class. Save yourself so much money. It's got some cute ones. This is one of my 3 top favorite signs this year for fall. And look at the glitter. It's just enough. It's not like all over the sign. I love it so much. This is so cute. Pumpkin kisses and harvest bushes. Now, I don't need any more signs. I have no more wall space, but if I did, I would absolutely be getting this pumpkin kisses sign, and I'm probably going to regret not getting it today, but you have to stop at some point. Carvable pumpkins are back, guys. I have never used these, believe it or not. Just never needed to or never tried. So let me know, or let everyone know in the comments if they actually work. Or if it just makes a big mess. That's my fear. We have some new planner stickers. I'm going to do my best to show you these. They are hanging up. 297 stickers in this first pack. There are 3 new packs. So let's try and get into this. Stay tuned, you guys. Might want to stay till the end on this one. Unicorns, rainbows, stars, happiness, oh my. Very cool. The glare in here today is a little bit much, but let's do this. These are really cool. These are gorgeous. These are totally like Michael's. These are not like, these are good. Like, you don't expect to see these in Dollar Tree, or at least I don't. With the foil lettering, I mean, they're high quality, guys. I hope you find them in person. I love pink and black together. I think in my 20s, all I wore was pink and black, I swear. I've tried planners so many times. I only use it for a couple days, and then I stop. So, I'm not going to get them for me today, but I might be getting them for a giveaway for you guys. Then our second pack. It's pineapple themed. They have 265 in the pack. Celebrate. Look at all those pineapples. Flamingos. These are awesome. And look at these. The gold foil, so pretty. The arrows. Just, I like want to buy them because I love them so much, but I know I won't use them and it's wasting. You know what I mean? You guys know what I mean. Hashtag Sticker Mafia in the comment section. You guys know who you are. These are people that have been on my channel forever that look for the stickers in my videos. and I'm here today to deliver. Finally getting new stickers. Every time I come in, there's a couple more added that are new. Okay, that's the last one on that book. There's one more. This is the front cover. It's a little harder to get to, guys, so bear with me. Ugh. Okay. Sorry. Ooh, the black and gold is nice. Okay, let's see. So pretty. Pretty but modern, you know? I don't know, I just love them. A few more stickers. I'm going to skim through this area for a minute or so just to see if there's any you guys have not noticed or seen before. I do get a lot of requests to go in this area of the store, and I know I skip by this area a lot more than I used to, but there really hasn't been much, so I'm sorry guys. I just come over here when there's stuff to show you. Little cowboy boots and guitar. Camera's cool. It's awesome. Cute little beach theme. Okay, so they just put a bunch of stock of the sun catchers out. Come with 4 primary colors, and then the butterfly. They also have this modeling clay, and if this works, this is an amazing deal for $1. I mean, how cool is that? $400 stickers, over 150 Lightning McQueens. I mean, there's so much to choose from. Little unicorn, little paint set. It'd be cute if it was like pink and turquoise and like, oh, that would be cute. Primary colors are okay, but if you guys have some paints at home. I mean, a unicorn can be any color, I'm just saying. These are cute. Mosaic. I've been seeing a lot more of this mosaic stuff at Dollar Tree lately. Perfect. Cars, trucks, all that fun stuff for the kids. Got numbers with flowers. 64 in each pack. Hot air balloons and airplanes. These are great for teachers for back to school stuff too, or for your guys' home charts. Oh, space theme. The chore charts. These are $164 to a pack. I think we've seen these before, actually. A little construction, stickers. So guess what they brought back, guys? This is the large size. I love these. I have them. I actually did a video where I did like little lights near my dog bed with these. Super fun. More Halloween candy has been put out, guys. Halloween pops. We've got little pumpkins and little ghosts. Those are super cute. We've seen the candy corn. Gravestone greetings. The Palmer 5 ounces. The pumpkin spice peanut butter cups. Somebody out there has had to try them. I want to know, are they gross? Are they great? I don't know. I've never tried them. I see them every year. Got the fun little lips. lip pops. Fun, a little spooky. Got the white chocolate flavored with peanut butter. Oh, we just saw these, the gravestone. And then we've got the mix, the autumn mix. That's pretty cool for $1. Eyeballs. Would you like a bag of eyeballs, anyone? Anyone? And these are fun. Little pumpkins. These go quick at my store. And then the fall taffy, guys. Peanut butter kisses. We saw those last time too. They must have got more because this is a different spot in the store than we looked at last time. The sour head, 35 count. And the lemon heads. Ooh, it makes me pucker just saying it. Now and later. Oh, you know it's gonna fall. I have something fall in every single video. And there it goes. Told ya. So they restocked this hair color, the temporary hair color. It really works best on lightest brown blonde hair, honestly, guys. But they have the lavender, they have the pink and the teal back. Again, from what you guys all said, this was an amazing deal because Sally sells it for a lot more. And just from being a hairdresser for 20 years, I can tell you it's not going to show up on dark hair. But it's very, very cool if you bleach it out. They have this new in my store. So it's Your Curly Tight Curl Enhancer, extra strength, free of alcohol, paraben, sulfates, and dyes, enriched with aloe and honey. It's pretty cool. So it defines curls and waves. I have not looked this up online to see how much it actually sells for in other stores. Whether you wear your hair long or short, the friendly ingredients found. The glare is horrible, guys. Enhancer gel activator formula. Curls and waves while defining their shape. Does anyone else skip words when they read? I like speed read. So you guys screenshot this. I'll give you a couple seconds and then you can read it back just in case you want to know what it says before you buy it or before you look at it, because I'm going to read really fast and I'm going to skip words, and that's just not cool. So 50% more. They had these last year. They haven't had them in a couple months. 50% more coffee in each pack. It's a decaf house blend. Guys, last year or the year before, I got like 24 of these free with coupons. I have not been collecting coupons. Just be on the lookout for these coupons because these end up free at Dollar Tree and at Stop and Shop when they go on sale. So this is a good freebie for sure. I don't know if the coupons are out. Don't hold me to it, but keep an eye out. So I'm going to grab one of these pour spouts. I think this is really cool because I don't like my olive oil bottle, like the cap on and off. It gets oily and stuff like that, but I thought this was really neat. I haven't seen this at my store before. I'm going to pull this off here and just look at the back real quick. They have the metal ones here, but those get a little oily too. I think this will be much better. The pour spout is yeah, I think this is going to be cool. It's going to fit right in different sizes of bottles. Most decorative bottles, oil bottles, wine bottles, and more. So that's cool. You press it into the bottle opening. Super easy. Yeah, I'm going to grab one. Origami. This is so cool. They have 3 different packs, 12 pattern origami sheets. First pack is the Farmyard Friends. Try to show you the back. 12 pattern sheets, colorful play mat, step-by-step instruction is what is included. I'm sorry, I was reading that sideways. Then they have this one. YouTube video. You can watch a YouTube video on it as well. That's cool. The mermaids and friends. Mermaids and friends. Oh, that's a pretty playmat. Right, and then they have this one. Circus Celebration. I just think origami is the coolest thing ever. Okay guys, so this is what I'm getting. Not exciting as usual. That's why I don't just do hauls by themselves. I'm getting Gain because all my laundry detergent got packed and it's at my new place. Hamburger helper because I'm hungry and this is what I want for dinner. A plastic butter dish because I just want one. Aspirin because I take it for my heart every day. You already saw the oil topper thing. The book light because you guys told me I had to get it because it was really good. I need another charger for my phone because I lost the last one because, again, moving. And I got the command hook finally, guys, for my door. These are going to be part of a giveaway. So I'm going to explain to you how you're going to win that giveaway and what the rules are right after this. Okay, 3 winners have to live in the USA. I'm sorry, guys, it's just way too expensive to ship outside of the United States. I do love you. I know Canada is the second most viewed country that views my channel. I appreciate you so much, but unfortunately, it's US only on this one. When I get to 25,000 subscribers, I'm going to do an Amazon giveaway gift card for $25, and it will be open to everyone. I got sidetracked. Lollipops. So, guys, 18 or over must be a subscriber. Thumbs up the video. The random comment picker that I use does show if you hit the thumbs up or not, so make sure to hit the thumbs up. After this portion of the video, you're going to get a question across your screen. You're going to answer that question in the comment section. If you put giveaway, you are automatically disqualified because I'm not titling this video that it is a giveaway. I want this to be for my true ride or die people who watch my videos all the time and watch till the end, because those are the people that support me and I want to give back to them. And I wish I could give all of these to every one of you, but I can't, and I'm sorry. I just do these small giveaways because that's what I truly can only afford. I really appreciate you guys so much, so much. So make sure to answer that question. Make sure you are 18 or over. You live in the United States. I love this bag. I love everything craft. I will put everything in the description box. That way nothing gets forgotten. Good luck to everybody. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.